We all use Chrome or have used it at some point of time in our life. You must have heard about the Chrome extensions as well. The Chrome extensions are small software programs that customize the browsing experience. In this video, I'll tell you the top 10 Chrome extensions that will surprise you. So let's get into it. On first, we have Read Aloud. If you're tired of reading the text and want someone to read it out to you, here's the Read Aloud Chrome extension. With the text-to-speech technology, it reads out the current web page with just one click. With this Chrome extension, you can also have the PDFs read out aloud to you.
Stay aware of the latest information on the COVID-19 outbreak, available on the WHO website and through your national and local public health authority.
You can choose from more than 40 plus languages. You can set the reading speed and the pitch of the voice. You can also change the text highlighting options. On number 2 is Rescue Time. It's a productivity Chrome extension. It keeps a record of the time you spent in the active tab of Chrome. With this extension, you get a clear picture of what you have been doing the whole day long, so that you can better manage your digital life. With the digital well-being experiment rolled out for the mobile users, this is a great initiative for the desktop users. Also, Rescue Time is smart enough to figure out when you walk away from the desktop and automatically stops tracking. It also categorizes the sites you visit on the scale from very productive to very distracting. The next is Type Your Form Recovery. Type Your Form Recovery is a lifesaver for many of us. It auto-saves text as you type and lets you easily retrieve that data in case of any loss or any error. If you type anything on a website and accidentally you lose it, just relax. Open Type Your Quick Access and there you can find whatever you last typed in. This Chrome extension doesn't save any passwords or credentials by default, but you can also choose to do so. Also, you can set for how many days the data should be saved. On number 4 is Smart Mute. Smart Mute is an amazing Chrome extension. It lets you listen to the audio one tab at a time. Multiple tabs play audio simultaneously and you have to yourself pause the one to enjoy the other. With Smart Mute, the audio on the active tab plays while on the other tab, it automatically gets mute. As you switch the tabs, you can find that the audio on the other tab gets mute. Up next is Loom. The Loom is a video messaging Chrome extension that can be used to record the screen, voice, and face to create a shareable video in no time. Once you add this extension to Chrome, you can record anything on the screen, even if it's outside the Chrome. It is the best Chrome extension to communicate with the colleagues, demo your projects, and to take classes. You can embed Looms in Gmail, Slack, Coda, and Intercom, and many more. The next is Dark Reader. The Dark Reader Chrome extension enables the dark mode for almost every website. This eye care extension creates a dark theme for the websites. By changing the bright colors to high contrast, this helps take care of your eyes at night or in low light environment. You can also choose to modify the brightness, contrast, font settings, and ignore list. Up next on number 7 we have Picture-in-Picture extension. This Picture-in-Picture extension is by Google itself. This Chrome extension permits you to watch videos in a floating window, so that you can keep an eye on the video while simultaneously interacting with some other sites or applications. The best part is it works outside Chrome as well. You can apply it either by clicking on the icon in the toolbar or by using the keyboard shortcut Alt+P. Up next is the Great Suspender. This Chrome extension works wonders when it comes to free up memory and CPU that is being engaged by the tabs open in Chrome. This extension helps make the computer run smoothly by suspending the tabs that are not in use. The tabs that you haven't opened for a considerable amount of time will automatically suspend in the background. You can set the time after which the tab suspends. Also, you have many other setting options available. You can also whitelist certain URLs by typing in here. Now is the push bullet. Well, this Chrome extension makes it easier for you to share videos, links, or images from one device to another. Consider if you have to share some images from Google with your friend on WhatsApp. You'll certainly open the image in Google on your phone and then will share the link on WhatsApp. That's a lengthy one. Rather, you can install this Chrome extension and go to any image or link, then right-click to share it with your friend's device. But make sure that you have installed the app on their phones as well. The last on the list is the custom cursor. With this Chrome extension, you have access to a large collection of fun custom cursors. There are various categories to choose from, and you can change the cursor to your favorite cartoon character. Also, you can upload any small image on the transparent background of your own choice. Enjoy with the custom cursors and say goodbye to boredom. So that is all for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did like it, then smash the subscribe button and also hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one.